Render is doing some really cool things in the world right now, and I'm here to talk about it with you guys. Hey guys, Foxy is Trading here, back with another crypto video for you guys, and today we are talking about Render once again. You know I love my Render, and we're going to be talking about some of the new things that they've been doing because it's pretty exciting actually. And I think the most exciting thing is this. White Rabbit became the first Web3 project to win an Emmy for its innovative decentralized crowdfunding and world building. Okay, so think about it. This art project, by the way, sick art project, has won an Emmy award, and powered by Render. So you can see that they really are providing utility for the real world, right? So it's really good to see because it just shows growth, and it just shows once more companies start to use Render and get powered by Render, it's just going to skyrocket. Like I really don't see how people don't see the vision and don't see the NVIDIA vision and how NVIDIA skyrocketed and how Render is right behind it and will follow. But hey, if you're in, you're in, and I'm very happy for you guys. So let's continue. They've upgraded for artists and studios, probably because of this, probably in tandem with this, right? So it's just larger, faster, more complex scenes without needing to adjust your workflow. So basically Render is just continuously upgrading, making it faster, making it better, right? What used to take studios with massive budgets now takes a laptop and Render network. So this is a big thing, right? Once we start seeing Render in movies and doing things like the Las Vegas Sphere, it's really gonna propel it forward. And I just see Render continuously being with new projects, new big people, right? So some metrics on Render. This was from August, July, summer months. Monthly frames render up, USDC amount render burnt. Green, right? This guy states, Deepin and AI have quieted down for now, which is true a little bit, because we don't see too many people talking about the AI and the Deepin space all that much, but we should, because it's kind of everywhere and it's kind of taking over and it's going to be the future. So I really do think we should be talking about it. And you can see Render is doing good things, all green check marks for Render. And what's interesting, they are doing a RenderCon, AnimeCon, TwitchCon, all that. They're doing a RenderCon next year, April 16th to 17th. So when this day comes, let's hope they do some really massive updates, some massive announcements, because I think on that day, around that day, we are already going to be in a bull run. And Render, mark my words, Render is going to be at least $15, $16 at this April date, right? It's at 338 right now. Mark my words. I'm going to come back to this video in April, and I'm going to be here when it's like at $20. I told you so. Right? Community sentiment strong, as it should be. Market cap is down a little bit. Price is down a little bit in the last 7 days. That's okay. The market is red. Volume is up, right? We're all on all the biggest exchanges. We know that. Let's have a look at market structure. So Render has been in a little bit of a downtrend. What I see that happened was basically we had this liquidity right over here, right? And Render simply swept it and went to the downside. Pretty basic market structure stuff. I would have liked more if it kind of held this area. You see how this imbalance in price, it started to consolidate a little bit for 2 days, and then eventually it broke to the downside. Okay, so what does that mean? I probably see Render going to here and sweeping this area. So this is possibility 1, something like this, right? But what I see more likely than not is sweeping this price, going into this zone, maybe consolidating here for a while, and then eventually starting to make its way to the upside. Okay, so we know that this is a major support for Render, right? And it's already very low. So It is your time to buy the dip, is basically what I am telling you guys. All right. It is at a premium price. Just think about it. If we go back to all-time highs from here, what is that? 14 bucks almost. It's at $3. Do the math. That's some good return, right? And I think we are gonna go way higher. I want to see render at this time next year, 25 bucks. I think you'll get there. I really do. I really believe in this project. So in the short term, I do think we are gonna go down just a little bit more, possibly to that $3 mark. If it hits $3, I will add a little bit because I already have a lot. So I'll add a little bit. And yeah, I hope you guys are bullish on render the way I am. Make sure you do your own research, not a advisor, just a fox. And if you guys liked the video, enjoyed the video, leave a comment on if you're in or out on render, subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one.